Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Tracy Sigler, and I'm going to be working with you this semester on ethical leadership and organizational behavior. Welcome to the beginning of the course. I am taping this on Sunday evening so that it's ready for you as soon as you're ready to get in on Monday morning. So when you come into the class, you can start out with the course information. You can go right to modules. I'm going to jump into the modules. After you go through the introduction and the syllabus, and jump into Module 1, Introduction to the course, and then also the Managing Diversity chapter. So you'll see in the syllabus that we're using a book that is an open source book, so you don't have to buy anything. You just go online to find it. So in the first week, the first module, we're going to be looking at the topic of the course and also learning about how to manage diversity. You can see the specific module learning outcomes, chapters 1 and 2 of the textbook, and some additional materials to help you with the journal assignment. So each week you're going to have a journal assignment related to the Citadel characteristics of principled leaders, as well as a discussion board and a written assignment. So for week 1, first you have a discussion board to introduce yourself. Here I'm asking you to create a video and tell us about yourself, and then provide 2 truths and a lie, and we're going to try to figure out what your lie is. Some of you might already know each other from being in online classes. Your second discussion board is to evaluate how good you are at organizational behavior. So this is what my degree is in. So I think it's a pretty important topic, of course. Organizational behavior helps us to understand behavior, predict behavior, and ultimately try to influence behavior at work. So reflect on these questions and your use of organizational behavior. And then post, so your discussion boards, probably like your other classes, post your initial response by Wednesday and at least two responses to others by Sunday at the end of the week. Everything is due on Sunday for this class. The first module, a written assignment, has to do with managing diversity. So there are some specific activities here. Read the Sam Powers case, take one of the implicit association tests, and answer the following questions. My cat is here trying to get into the video. Walk by me, / get out of the way. And then what you want to write about in your written assignment, so this is just for me, was your reaction to the activities in 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so type those up and post them. There's the rubric that goes along with it. Okay, / just walked by. And then the journal. So basically each week I'm going to be asking you to take a look at one of the characteristics of principled leaders according to the Citadel list. And the first is lead with humility. So take a look at the materials at the beginning of the module and then answer this question. Evaluate yourself as a good example of a humble leader. Cite your sources for any data that you introduce. So this is a document, a journal entry each week for you to reflect back on your own leadership style approach or the kind of leader that you would like to be in the future. So let me know if you have any questions. That's Module 1, and I look forward to meeting you all online.